Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Day video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy, and I'm here to take you through today's video. Now in today's video we're going to be discussing our day trading strategy, and we've had 4 trades trigger in this week on the day trading side. Some very good trades indeed, really easy trades as well that you could have placed easily around a full-time job just at the start of the day as pending orders, and we're going to show you exactly how those trades were firstly provided, obviously the result of those trades, and a look at the charts to observe where they reversed from. So in order to show you this, I need to take you to our members area first. Our members area is the area where we provide technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and trading opportunities on a daily basis. I'm going to take you to, let's say for example, this day here. We're going to scroll on down. You see that we have important trading zones of the day. We have some trading levels that are provided here. As we scroll on down, we've obviously got our fundamental views. We've then got technical views for different currency pairs, and we've got daily updates as well provided for each pair. What we then do with this information is we bring this information across to what we have with our trading algorithm. So on the trading algorithm, that is producing buy and sell zones on a daily basis, which are therefore day trading opportunities. So I'm going to bring you across the algorithm now so you've got a good idea of what it looks like. Now if you've watched any of our previous videos, you'll recognize this particular chart, or this particular set of buy and sell zones. And what you'll also recognize is the fact that we label the zones that we're interested in trading for our clients. So there's no confusion at all about what zones a client should be interested in trading. So we label these zones by placing a label called major cap next to the zone, which in platinum terms just means an important zone to trade. So for example, we had one trigger yesterday on the euro dollar, at 14.10. So we can see that the zone itself, we labelled it major cap, meaning that this should be an important zone to trade for this particular day. You can see in the end it hit the zone and the price obviously fell off, and with these particular trades we're looking to target approximately 25-30 pips. Okay, and the stop losses are around 20 to 25 pips. Okay, so roughly a 1-to-1 equivalent in terms of risk to reward ratios. With this particular zone itself, you can see very simple, nice reversal well in excess of 25 to 30 pips. Another one that we had was the GBP USD. You can see just here, that was at the start of the week on the Monday. You can see major cap at 2700. We can see it comes into the particular buy zone, just touches the zone on the major cap, and again we have a really nice reversal there of again another 25-30 pips in the bag. So all these trades are provided at the very start of the day through the trading floor, and the trading floor is usually updated about 8 AM. Okay, so it gives you plenty of time to place any pending orders that you might want to place in the market, and hopefully that they trigger in later on in the day and we get some sort of result from that. And then we had 2 trigger this week on the NZD USD. Firstly, we had this sell zone here on the NZD USD, so even if you'd entered at the beginning of the zone, it would have been nowhere near your stop loss. You can see that's only 12 pips above the zone there, and in the end it reversed very nicely for our 25 to 30 pips. And then yesterday we had the major cap on the buy zone just in here. You can see again sort of touching the zone and getting a nice reversal on higher there. So we've had sort of 4 different important trading zones there triggering, and obviously come into play in really nice zones indeed to have traded. It's talking about 4 zones at 25 pips a piece, talking about 100 pips from 4 day trades this week, and that's a really nice number of pips to be producing on a weekly basis. One thing that we're providing was sort of like a free access observation to the trading system, running live as well as the trading floor analysis. And the way to do that is really simple. You go to our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com. You click on the top right hand corner where it has free consultation. Once you click on free consultation, it takes you to this page just here. You pop in your name, email, phone number, and one of our traders and account managers will get in touch with you, and they'll book a consultation in for you, and we can sort of take you through the system, take you through the analysis, and hopefully give you a really good understanding of if it can work for you around your current lifestyle. Just want to say, look, thank you very much for watching today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, of course. But other than that, I wish everyone an absolutely wonderful weekend. Thank you.